Hey, what's up guys? It's Techsummer talking to you here, and today we got these two things to unbox. So I think you know what these are, at least from the title. And yes, they have finally arrived after some weeks of waiting, at least 1 week. So before we start this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Let's get started. So the first one we're going to unbox is the keychain from Belkin. I paid from I think $10 from this package, and it's quite nice. I've seen reviews online, so how do you get this open? I don't think I will need a knife. Let's see. I'll probably do. So let's just get this part and get a knife. So I'm back and I got myself a big knife, as you can see. So let's first unbox the keychain from Belkin. I don't think this keychain is as premium, definitely not as premium as Apple's one, but I mean it's $10 or 13 euros here in Portugal, so it's way better than spending $35 or $40 on some dumbass accessories and keychains, which is way more than your AirTag costs. So it puts your cost from the AirTag to double, and I don't have the money for that right now. So it's getting kind of difficult to cut this through, but this is the first unboxing I do on my channel without counting the iPhone 12 Pro. And if you are enjoying, please leave a like. I will do more if I can, of course, and I think when I get my new computer I will also do another unboxing. So it's kind of difficult. Am I opening these right? I don't think so. Strange. I'm kind of getting embarrassed by now. The knife is not that good either. I'm gonna have to brute force these open. And here we go. It's open, and there you go. You see here the Belkin one. So how was I supposed to take it off? Oh, there was a pull tab here. Don't joke. This is kind of... Oh, these ain't easy. Very tight packaging from Apple and very big one. So as you can see here, this is a pretty small device, but it has some huge packaging. I have to brute force it open. Sorry for that. Gave me a lot of trouble. So as you can see here we got the keyring that you can see on other channels like Tales of Tech and other budget-minded ones that don't buy the stupid $449 Hermes AirTags, or even the stupid $35 AirTags accessories from Apple. As I said to you before, this one cost me 13 euros, or costs you 10 bucks, 11 bucks, I don't know what's the price for it on Portuguese or American money. So here we go. Cut it open, bust it open. It's pretty simple packaging. It's nothing special. And you can see here that's mostly it. To plastic. Oh, this is cheap feeling. My gosh. It's not great. I mean, 10 bucks, right? You can't expect that much. This is kind of hard taking off. Just remove these. Oh, here we go. The keyring. I mean, let's get rid of this. And these two. It's kind of simple, as you can see here. Graph. as you can see here, and you work it out by putting your AirTag in and just rotate, get this thing aligned and rotate it like this. So it's kind of normal. That's a good keyring, though thin one, and this is short, so it won't take that much space on your keys. I will review this at the end of this video. Put it there to the side, and let's now unbox the AirTags. Well, now we got a little bit more experiences with this box. Let's start by trying to open it right here, just like that. How dumb of me to try to see, much better. So dumb for the first time. And you got some tape here that you gotta cut, and you're in. Easy packaging though, but there's a lot of paper and unnecessary stuff to put this small and thin box. Look at it. Let's get rid of this packaging. Look at it. Quite small, I would say. Very thin. If I pick up my iPhone 12 Pro here, you can see that in terms of thinness, the box is almost as thin as the iPhone. So a very thin box for you. Let's leave there because I will need you. And the classic pull tab from Apple, the easy opening is the best thing to do, opening a new Apple product. So I don't think I will need to cut anything else. Did that work? Oh, huge. Yep, it did. So we take that off and leave the box there. Some paperwork, usual books and shit, as Floyd would say that. Flossy Carter. So here we got our AirTag, pretty nice package, I would say. More books and shit. So we can just peel it off, I think. Wow, this is light. This is very light. And here we got some instructions on how to set it up. Pretty simple. You just pull up your tab, leave the Bluetooth device on. Let me just use Face ID. That's right. And we just leave your iPhone on there with Bluetooth on also. So Bluetooth on, and let's just pull this tab. And when we pull it, it will make a noise. Let's see if you can hear it. So here we go. My new AirTag, and as you can see here, I put my initials there. So MA, Miguel Anjo, which is my name, if you didn't know. So pretty nice. Took me 3 or 4 more days because of it, but it was free, so I didn't pay for it. And now it's probably emitting something, and my iPhone should be unlocked. And now that's it. It sets up. You just hit connect, and you choose which one and where will you put it. I don't know if I would put it on my backpack or keys. Pretty indecisive on that. Which one should I put? But I'm putting on my keys. So here you go, my AirTag account. And that's it, my keys are ready. So let's continue. That's it, it's configured. As simple as that. So as you can see, this AirTag is very small. It's probably the size of a 2-liter soda can or soda bottle. So it's bigger than a normal bottle, but it's pretty small and very thin. I think I would also be able to put it on my wallet. I still don't know yet, but you can see here it's already dirty from my hands, and sorry for my hands. These are hands that the guy that goes to the gym, so they are destroyed. But sorry for that. My phone just lost its battery, so I had to change it to my 12 Pro. So I was using this iPhone XS to record this video, but I ran out of battery, so I don't know if I got the footage, but I hope so. And if you are seeing this video, it's because I got it. So this is my new AirTag. It says MA, as I told you, which is my initials, and the back, it's pretty clean. So let's get it on my keychain, on my keyring, which is this Belkin one. I think it's supposed to go like this, right? And you put it like, no, it's on the other side. So put it like this, rotate it to get it nice and aligned, and we get our keychain just like that. Here I have to probably work out a way for you. This way. Let's try to find out. Let's look at it. Let's try to realize how you do it. So let's cut a bit here, and I will get it to you when it's mounted. So this thing is on now. I must say it's not difficult to put on, but first you have to realize how it works. But pretty easy, pretty small. I think it's compact and cool. Let's just put this metal keyring on it. Or I'll put it later, it's not necessary. But now let's get a quick review. So as you can see, this Belkin keychain, it's very small and compact. When compared to the keychains on the screen right now, which are from Apple, you can see it's much shorter, so it won't make your keys look big and dangly. So if you want a short and compact keychain, and most importantly, it will not break your bank. So this is a pretty small, light, and I think it's resistant. It will protect your AirTag pretty well, and is mostly, more important, is cheap as hell when compared to the other Apple accessories, which are $35 to $55 or even $449. So if you want a cheap alternative to Apple accessories, I think this Belkin one is great. You can also get more at Amazon.com. So this was my AirTag unboxing. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed. This was TechSumer talking to you here. Bye. Oh, and I forgot, may the force be with you, because today it's 4th of May.